Hi guys, it's Nina. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys step-by-step rules on how to achieve your goals in 2024, and I bet you guys these 3 rules will transform your life into a better one. Rule number 1 we are starting off is get out there. I know I have always talked about self-isolation, working on yourself, but sometimes you need to get out there. You have to meet with people. This should be really important in your life. And if you are someone who wants to start a business, then start being around with marketing people, start being around with startup people. This will help you to understand the concept properly and will eventually help you to achieve your goal. And I know you have heard this quote somewhere along the line, you're sum of 5 people you're being around. So if you're around with 5 people who have started that business, then chances are you're going to be the 6th one starting a new business within 6 months. So this is the most important step for 2024 achievements, is to get out there and just experience. You have to always have balance in life. This next rule is kind of tricky, but I want you to learn 2 things. First is money management, the psychology of money. Read a book, I don't care. And second is learning sales. Learning sales is so important. I don't care if you are in a banking industry, somewhere along that line. I do not care. I just want you all to learn sales, because if you learn sales, there is no way you cannot survive single day without earning. You will earn every single day. I don't want you all to now go into stocks or invest big amounts. I just want you to learn sales anyhow, anything. I need you to know the basics of sales, or I need you to know the basic about the money, the concept of how money works. And really good book, Psychology of Money, you can go and it will eventually change your life if you read that. Just if you are not a person who reads a lot, then watch videos online about psychology of money or how money works. The last rule is to work out 3 times a week. I know it might be hard. Go get a gym membership or go do your yoga classes, but you have to work out 3 times at least in a week. This will help you achieve your dream body. Well, I'm a type of person, if I work out 4 times a week, I'm going to get in shape. Like, I'm not going to feel bloated. But sometimes we get tired and sometimes we don't like to work out. So challenge yourself. It doesn't matter if you feel like you don't want to go, then just go for a gym for 5 minutes. Go change your shoes, just do 5 minutes of treadmill and come back home. To build a habit, you have to do certain things consistently, and you don't have to go inside a gym and work out for hours and hours. Just go in there 30 minutes and you're done. For you to build a habit, you need to stay consistent at doing it. Regardless of how much duration you put into it, you have to do it anyhow. And that's the mindset I want you all to understand and follow through if you want to achieve things in 2024. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, then make sure to give a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below and share if you like. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, then it's just at SnehaMia with a single underscore. I love you guys so much. Stay connected with me. I will probably see you guys in my next video. Till that time, bye.